Hi everybody, this is Gracie Anna. She is a cinnamon capuchin monkey and she is ready for her bottle, so we thought we would get the camera so you guys could see her drink her bottle. There she goes. That baby was hungry. When we first got her, she would drink about, what, an inch and a half down? 2 inches?
Yeah, it took her 3 times.
Yeah, she nursed the bottle 3 times. But she's drinking a lot more now. She's getting a lot bigger. And she's starting to walk around better. And she's got such a cute sense of humor. She loves to play. She's a little doll.
She does love to play.
Mm-hmm.
And she's very verbal.
Yeah, she is. She likes to talk. Is that her tummy?
Mine.
Oh. Maybe you need a bottle. I was thinking, boy, she's got a loud tummy. Is she getting full, Dad? Yeah, wipe her mouth off.
And then she don't like that.
Mm-hmm. There we go. Let me see how much she drank. She want more?
Oh, yeah.
That's good, Daddy.
That's a half.
Yeah.
A little over half.
Yep. She's got quite the appetite now. Yeah, she's a good girl. She's so cute.
Yeah, I know. She's always looking around.
Uh-huh.
Yeah.
Gracie. Gracie. What are you doing? Gracie, what are you doing? You're so cute. Look at her, boy. She turns that head.
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
What are you doing? What are you doing? Are you trying to say hi to everybody? You're so cute.
Gracie. It's kind of hard to see her. She's so close, makes my eye cross when I look at her. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. Show them how you play. Show them how we play. Come on. Huh? Yeah. Show them. Show them how you pinch Daddy. Hmm? I think she's going to be a cap getter too. I want to have a cap one between her and Lillian. And you get back up here and play. Mm-hmm.
You are. You're so pretty. You sweet girl. how big she's getting, guys. She's growing so fast. She thinks she's trying to get the dots off of this blanket. And she's super inquisitive.
Oh yeah. Bright colors right now.
She wants to check everything out. I think she's trying to get the dots off the blanket. Look at her. You silly. Well, she is learning to walk, guys. Starting to get up and use her arms and legs a lot, and her tail.
Yeah, I seen her grab hold of something the other day with her tail.
Mm-hmm.
It's just back there right now, but I have seen her use it.
Uh-huh. She does. She's got a strong tail. Well, everybody, we wanted to show you Gracie's progress and how much she's growing and how fast she's growing. Look at that. It's pretty cool to watch her, how she's growing up so fast. Look at that right there. Yeah, look at you. Well, if you haven't subscribed to Gracie's channel, make sure to hit that subscribe button. We are going to document her growing up, and we'll show you how she progresses.
Are you progressing? Huh? Are you progressing? Yeah, you are. Ow. Ow. Yeah. Ow. Ow.
Are you playing with Daddy?
Mm-hmm. She pinches. That's gonna be a new rule.
The other day I was in the office and I heard Billy hollering. I said, "What is it?" And he said, "She got my lip." And I said, "She bit you?" And he said, "No, she's grabbed my lip with her fingers."
Yeah, I'm telling you, she got a little sharp.
Yeah, her nails are sharp. So it wasn't that she was pulling on it so hard or anything. It's just her little nails are sharp.
Yeah, 'cause she can grab a hold. She hold.
She's got strong hands. Well, anyway, guys, if you haven't subscribed, make sure to hit that subscribe button below and watch as Gracie grows up. I was just talking about Lillian there, and she's got a big sister named Monkey Lillian Louise. So y'all need to go check out her channel as well. We will have Gracie on her channel and Lillian on Gracie's channel. So you'll get to see our two girls. And pretty soon they're going to be climbing a tree together. Can't wait to see that. That's going to be fun. So we hope y'all are having a really awesome day today. And we will catch y'all next time. Bye-bye. Gracie, 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 say bye-bye. Bye-bye. Good girl. Good girl.